Hey, my friend. Today we're going to practice the letter R. We're going to learn what R looks like and the sound that it represents. Here's an uppercase R. I wonder if you've seen it before. When we write an R, we go down, then we pick our pencil back up, we do a big curve, and then a diagonal line. So a diagonal line goes from the top corner of one part to the bottom of another. It's kind of like if you do this and make an X, you have two diagonal lines. Try it with your body. Two diagonal lines. Here's one this way, one the other way. That's called a diagonal line. So let's look at this R again. So we have our finger ready. We go down, we pick our pencil back up to go to the top, we do a big curve, and then a diagonal line. Let's practice one more time. Down, pick your pencil up, curve, diagonal. Here you have it, an uppercase R. Here's a lowercase r. So we get our pencil ready, we go down, we pick our pencil back up again, and we just do a little curve. Right? Not a full circle, just a little curve. Let's do it one more time. A line down, we pick our pencil up and do a little curve. This is a lowercase r. Here's how you could make an R with your body. Do you see what the kid is doing? One leg is out diagonally. The other leg is what's called vertical, up and down. And then she put her arms in the circle shape to make the curve. Can you do this with your body? Try it. Here is the sound for R. It's pretty tricky to make, so if you're still working on it, I think this is the hardest sound. So we'll practice this a lot. R says er. So what I feel that I'm doing with my mouth, I'm making like a circle with my mouth. It's like a small circle like this. Can you do that? And then I make my mouth a little smaller when the sound comes out. I lift my tongue up too when I do it. We'll keep practicing this. Don't worry if it's tricky. This is a pretty tough one. The more we practice, the better we'll get. R represents the sound and I kind of hear they sound similar, right? The letter is R. The end that I hear in the letter R is er. Do you hear a connection there? If you don't, we can always keep practicing, but if you do, that's awesome. So here's our uppercase R, our lowercase r. Now let's practice words that start with r. This person is wearing a ring. These are rocks. Do you know this animal? What is it? It's a rabbit. Do you know this flower? This is called, we know it's going to start with the letter R and the sound This is called a rose. And we need an umbrella when it is raining. Here are some words that start with We have our card. It says R, rat, So we have the letter, the picture, and the sound. R, rat, You try. Now we have our sign language for R. So we want to do our like peace fingers, right? Our pointing finger up and our middle finger, and then we're just going to twist them. Can you do that? Try it again. So it's like you're holding up two, like the number two things. Let me just twist them. This is the sign language for R. R. You try it. And there you have it. We're done again. We have identified the letter R. We can know what an uppercase R looks like and a lowercase r, and we know the sound that it makes. I'm so proud of all your hard work. Keep at it. You're getting smarter every time you watch a new video and do more practice, and I will see you soon. Love you.